I'm just letting you know it was the same road that y'all were on, except, you know, a little further down.
Was my DNA there?
No, your DNA was not there. However, you are being charged with criminal use of a firearm um, in that situation.
What?
What you mean, what?
I wasn't there!
I hate to be the bearer of consistent bad news, Blake, but unfortunately, it doesn't matter because you're in possession of the gun.
I wasn't there!
Well, I mean, ultimately, I can give you the incident number and you can attempt to appeal this. However, the only charge being pressed here is going to be criminal use of a firearm for that situation.
What's the time and fine?
Give me one moment. All right, so for the criminal use of a firearm hot gun situation, that alone is 30 months, $7,500 fine. And I imagine you will be pleading. No. I have to separate the incidents because I have to process them within that report. So just for the hot gun, 30 months, $7,500 fine, and then separate to that, one moment. For the current situation at hand, I do have to charge you with the possession as well of the makeshift 1911.
Really?
Yes. All
Really?
right. So you are looking at disobeying peace officer, criminal use of a firearm, and criminal possession of a makeshift firearm, class 1. That is 65 months and an $18,700 fine. Then the combination
Would be $25,500 roughly, and about 95 months. No,
$26,200. So I will ask you separately for the situation from today in which you were shot. How do you plead to the 3 charges, that being disobeying, criminal use, and criminal possession of the makeshift?
Not guilty.
All right. And then, separate to that, the hot gun situation of criminal use of a firearm. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
All right. Let's see here. All right. So, unfortunately, the only thing I can really do regarding time here is some time served for the amount of time that you've been in custody. Well, a portion of it. Because you did not plead guilty, I can't reduce it percentage-wise. So you are looking at a reduction from 95 months down to 63.
Yeah.
Yep.
Seriously gonna charge me for a situation where my DNA wasn't there?
So unfortunately, your DNA does not have to be there. Judges have essentially ruled that that is kind of the consequence of being in possession of a hot gun.
Judges are brain dead.
Well, I mean, I don't necessarily
I'm gonna judge.
agree or disagree, but like the important bit is that from my understanding, I believe it to be an attempt to dissuade people from purchasing guns from other people.
But as an officer of the law, does that make sense to you that I'm being charged even though you have evidence that I literally wasn't even there? I could have been snoozing away in my goddamn apartment.
I hate to break it to you, but we have a gang-related shooting charge, which does not take into account self-defense. It does not matter if you are defending yourself in a gang-related shooting. You still get charged and arrested, and that's beyond my control.
It is what it is. I don't work for the DOJ anymore because they're fucking useless.
Let's see here. I'll make it an even 60 months. But one moment.
Fucking DOJ.
Yeah, we
Useless
are.
bunch of bastards.
We are good for now. I'm gonna get you billed.
You don't have to do that.
I have to.
Don't.
In the amount of $26,200.
Such an asshole.
That's not true.
Thing is, it really is.
There we are, and it gonna be 60 months.
I have a flashlight out. We're inside. There's electricity in here.
Yeah, I'm aware. I am fully aware.
Fucked up. Just let me go, I'll be honest.
Oh wait, you know what I didn't do?
What?
I just realized because medical arrived so quickly, I didn't get to swab you for gunshot residue. I mean, not necessarily that we need it. Oh, girl. Yep, you gonna wait in that cell. I will do it.
What you mean? You just charged me with a criminal discharge of a firearm.
No, you didn't. Girl, you didn't even get the you lifted the gun and were shot down so quickly and collapsed to the ground.
But you charged me with criminal use of a firearm.
Yes, for aiding in the commission of a crime.
What crime?
Girl, there ain't no way we playing dumb.
What crime?
There ain't no way you playing dumb.
Pointing a gun at you and actually firing it is very different.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah, therefore, I didn't criminally use a gun, did I?
You did use it criminally. You were going to shoot me.
I didn't use it. Technically, that is brandishing.
No, because there is an or statement in criminal use of a firearm. Or aid in the commission of a crime. I mean, I'm just saying, I don't think a judge is gonna, like, look at the situation. Well, hold on. No.
Hold on.
Go ahead. Listen, I'm swabbing you for gunshot residue.
Hold on.
Come on. I'm swabbing you for GSR. Go ahead and extend.
Did I shoot you? Did I shoot you? So
no, you aimed the gun at me, and that's all I needed.
You don't need to GSR test me because I pointed a gun at you when I didn't.
Girl, we literally saw you shooting prior to. I just want to have that documented.
Cole Danielson.
No.
Cole Danielson.
No.
You can't deny me my right to legal. So, Cole Danielson.
You want Danielson as an attorney?
No, I'm gonna prove you wrong.
Are you requesting an attorney?
Yes.
What was that?
Yes.
Okay, I see neither an attorney or lawyer present. Uno momento. Okay, I have bad news. I don't know if Danielson's available. Because he ain't in the lemon list. Oh my god, it's your list!
What?
I said, oh my god, it's your list! The lemon list! Oh my god, I never put two and two together. Alright, so how would you like to proceed from here? If you'd like, I can attempt to make a request for an attorney.
Yes.
Uno momento.
I mean, you're gonna have to, like, unbill me now? Because it's kind of awkward, huh?
No, I don't intend on unbilling you.
Or you could just send me up.
What? I mean, that's what I planned on doing, but then listen, I still need to GSR test you.
For what reason?
You shot the gun prior to, and I just want to ensure that we have that documented.
Why?
Why are you consistently asking dumb questions?
It's not a dumb question.
It's a
That
dumb question.
incident-
You shot the gun.
that incident
I
was
want to
prior
ensure
to your
that when we have to
presence.
paint an image to a judge, it's easier to do so when we have the evidence.
No, because you're gonna spin it that I shot the gun while you were there.
No, I will flat out say you didn't get the opportunity to. You aimed the gun in my direction, I shot you.
And you said it was fine that I defended myself against a dog.
Correct, but I still want to ensure that it is documented that you're positive for gunshot residue.
But it was in self-defense.
Does not matter.
You're trying to make me look bad.
Not really.
Yeah, you do that well enough yourself.
No one asked you. Have you seen your haircut?
Oh, don't tell me about my haircut when I see all those dead ends.
Who?
Bitch, please.
Okay, come on. Okay, come on. GSR test time. Are you ready? Well,
This is a trick.
there's no trick here.
I don't consent to your GSR test.
Okay, I'm removing the very demure, very mindful tags.
No.
Ooh. Oh. Okay, then just extend your arm. I'll swab you for GSR and we'll be on our way.
Why do you need it?
We are not going in circles again.
I did not shoot you. I branded.
It does not matter. I need the GSR test completed.
I already wrote my statement and I said you didn't shoot.
So, like, I mean, you can delay for as long as you'd like. Ultimately, we have officer testimony and literally a witness to the situation at hand and you being in possession of the gun in which there are casings not where you were shot.
Yeah, I have you pictured where the casings were actually photographed.
Where there's a pool
Well,
of blood
I
on the
mean-
ground, there is not a casing, there's a projectile.
I
From
hate to
us.
say it, but you know, there's a reason he has a camera out right now.
I don't know. Is
You
there a
better tell him to
reason
put
you...
it away.
No.
Listen, I'll cooperate with you, but tell him to put the damn camera away.
The camera's away. Actually, I'll be pedantic here.
Yes.
Put the camera away. Because that was the request. You asked that I tell him to put the camera away, so I have.
Will do.
Whatever. Do your stupid test and send me up.
Perfect.
Still not guilty.
I totally understand. Again, listen, I want you to know that despite this, you could have been looking at an attempted murder charge. Here we are.
only.
I'm just going to swab you for gunshot residue. Because don't forget, you know, in gun training, you never aim at something you're not going to shoot. You know? There we are.
It's a shame. Why? Is Bobby Charles around? I'd shoot him any day.
Ooh. Well, you know, that's, you know, that you do that on your own accord, okay?
You wouldn't? You wouldn't? Be honest with me. I won't tell anyone.
I don't believe you.
I hate the cops. Why would I snitch to cops? I plead not guilty to everything.
Because you'd be snitching on a cop. You hate the cops.
But I hate Bobby Charles more than anyone. And to be honest,
I
if
barely
you said
know
you. Were
you.
Shoot him, my respect would probably go up for you, to be honest.
Right.
Listen, look at it like attorney-client privilege, but I don't have the bar license. Besides, I don't even know your name, so how can I snitch?
Well, I'm Senior Deputy Matt Rhodes.
You could have just not done that and then just told me.
Yeah, no, that would be not so professional. All right. I just
I
wanna
hope that you
make
do.
sure we're all on the same page here, because you did at some point indicate that you wanted an attorney. Do you instead just want to be sent up for the what did I say before, 60 months?
Yeah, go ahead. I've already been billed. So I
Go
mean,
ahead, as in like send you up.
send me up. I've
Okay,
already been
I
billed,
listen. I want to
so-
make sure this is crystal clear. Okay, I ain't trying to get a court case because you asked for an attorney. Ain't listen. No one gonna get the one up on me.
I think you'll find that eventually I will.
Oh, okay, sure, I guess. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get you sent off. You stay safe out there, okay?
I'd say you too, but I don't really care if police officers are particularly safe. I'd rather you weren't.
Okay, I want you to know that I'm gonna say something after I send you off. But not in front of you, because that would be unprofessional.
What are you gonna do?
You
Call
stay
me
safe out
bitch?
there, okay? Goodbye. She should have been the one to drown.
Oh, I agree. I agree. Was she GSR negative?
Yeah, she was. It was too
'Cause
long.
You waited till after the hospital.
Yeah. Well,
Apparently it's after the hospital wipes it off.
I don't think that's true.
Well, we had a shooting the other day with ADMC, and the two people that didn't get treated on the scene didn't.
Was it a
were
large
GSR
scale, like
negative.
long shooting, or no?
No, it was like very quickly after.
GSR test me? And then we're gonna rush over to the hospital. But don't forget, I shot the gun in the armory. I don't know how many minutes ago, but
You're positive.
all right, let's go to the hospital. Dr. Skip, clean me up. We're running. This is urgent. Time sensitive.
Quick, get in. The wheel's in. He fucking go. Fucking jump through.
Okay.
on,
Listen,
guys,
I
quick,
don't mind
quick.
me. I just need to check if Dr. Skip go, look over my chest and clean off gunshot residue. Oh, okay, that was instant. Perry.
No. Just love giving him shit.
I gotta do it while you're laying down.
Well,
Mister,
I'm getting better.
Rhodes.
Yeah, listen, I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out whether or not Dr. Skip is anti
Mhm.
GSR.
Mhm. I'm not mad. I'm disappointed.
You're not disappointed either.
I'm
GSR,
not,
test me,
you're right.
Perry.
I'm-
Quick.
Fucking sees right through me. God damn it. Fuck. Damn, I'm too easy to read. I can't put it. Even with the stone cold out.
I think it was just too long. I'm gonna be real.
You think?
Yeah.
We're gonna
Your
find
finger on
out.
that device.
Fuck.
Oh, you are positive. Okay, maybe I was
Oh.
wrong.
I think it. I think it just. It was a little while. I unfortunately think what happens is we
Let's go
wrap
for
up
it.
scenes. We get the medical.
Get some food.
We transport them. And then if GSR hasn't already been taken by that point, it's typically been too long, essentially. I think that's
Well,
why
that's fair.
oftentimes people
so I guess
assume
I'll
it's
do-
Dr.
Have a
Skip.
good one, guys.
You as well.
You too.
Well, let me go throw all this shit in evidence.
You want to take this radio
Yeah.
too?
A scout is a boat. I don't understand it.
Going an active 80 with an orange Mesa, I want to say, eastbound San Andreas Ave. Yeah, it's a Mesa.
Do you require additionals?
We can't have 3.
Mud, there's probably an
Yeah,
argument
northbound
for
really
like
far
reckless
away.
endangerment. I'm going to assume it wasn't their intent to put them in the pool. Like, I don't know. Okay, do you know how when you're carrying someone, you try to run, it kind of like locks you in the animation, you can't really turn. And then once they were in the pool, I imagine it just released them automatically. That's what I suspect happened. And unless I was certain, like I watched them go to the edge of the pool, drop them, like I wouldn't end up pushing the charge just because of the like mechanical
Right, eastbound Cougar.
like shit show
Transitioning
that it ends
to
up
northbound
becoming.
West Eclipse.
13565. I mean, there's definitely an argument to be made. It's not as like
Now eastbound West Eclipse.
ironclad as just a criminal use, but like an attempted murder charge for aiming the gun.
Southbound Madway Thunder. Oh, 50, take it.
All right.
Eastbound way.
Secondary.
Now we write our report. Oh, not guilty is what I meant. Not guilty. Statement. Roads. Whoops. A. Um. Um. Failed to save incident. Did you guys see that? Let me copy just in case. Saw it at the top right, very briefly. The injured individual. Um. Actually, then moved in. uh. Roads gave multiple. I need to not have my shit at a 45-degree angle. I do this every fucking time. Like multiple. Or... 'Water was then recovered. One 13303. Sick. I have not set them to auto upload yet. After captured tasks. Or upload image to host. Task settings. Upload. I think it defaults to Kappa already. Let's take a picture of a picture. Error. Why? Oh, wait. Where's Kappa? I'm so confused. Upload. Discord. Kappa. There. The active custom uploader. Yes. Okay. Fixed. I don't know why I had to set that again. This is the worst part about fresh Windows install. All right. Um. ID. Wait, did I fuck up the ID one?
Alright, you doing?
Hello.
I have a question.
Might have an answer.
Oh, sorry, I can't talk on my phone yet. I managed to find a 6.5 V12 block
You need money?
for 150. Could I borrow like 75k?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just
Maybe
gonna
back to you,
finish
like,
this up.
Tomorrow or the next day.
This will it'll only be a couple minutes, and I'll swing by the bank and transfer it to you.
Alright, no worries. That'll work out perfect because I actually brought up Bruce Baylor of all people.
Really?
Yeah, I just put a thing out in the yellow pages that I was buying it, and he called me up. But I had spoken to him yesterday at the tuna shop because Raina had a, I forget what the engine was now. It was a V8 engine anyway. Yeah, two V8 engines. They were identical but different. Once he built them, they turned into different engines. And he wanted to try them in the Premier, the Taurus, and the CVPI.
Do you know what engine it
And
was?
it was an. I'd have to ask Rainer when he comes around.
Interesting.
I think it was like a. I can't remember, to be honest with you. But one had an R in front of it, and the other one didn't. So pretty sure it was a 5-liter V8. But one was an R series or something, and the other one wasn't.
So he made two identical engines. Am I hearing that right? And one of them was different?
Yeah. So he used two identical blocks, and one of them, when it was put together, it even looked different, and it had an R in front of it.
So I might have to get in contact with him. I want to shove that shit in the fucking Scout.
Yeah, it decreased everything from.
Was it the
The
Premiere?
only thing that it was better in was the CVPI, but it wasn't noticeable enough.
Oh.
Like
All
when
right.
you look at the chaser score, it went from like 815 to 831 or something. So it was barely
Interesting.
noticeable.
All right. What's your state ID?
1532.
Nope.
Oh fuck. Sorry. It is 1634.
1634.
That's my bad.
You're good. I wanted
Yeah,
to
never mind.
listen. Every time I ask for a state ID, I always double check in the MDT because you just never know, out of habit, you know.
Yeah.
All
It's
right,
not awkward at all.
it's all
I
right.
appreciate it.
We'll do it now. So, Mud, if I had known that I could, okay. Well, to be fair, I copied my entire Sherrick's folder, but when I tell you it's the fucking bane of my existence because of the OneDrive bullshit and all of the settings saving in the fucking documents bullshit. Oh my god, I fucking lost it. I lost it. Car's outside. I'm an idiot. I was just like, I'll start over. It's not that bad. Oh, can't do this. Otherwise, it'll be bugged. Hello.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. Hmm.
Case here. And I would appreciate a minimum of increments of $20,000 at a time.
Huh? What?
I'm here to collect the donation, and the donation must be in the amount of 20K, or else someone will die.
Who the fuck's gonna die?
No, I can't disclose that, but I need the money, so save their life.
Well, I have bad news. We don't
5K.
negotiate with terrorists.
5K.
No, no, no. Money's just one of the...
2K.
No, you can
1K.
you can say $100 and the answer is still no, because
Well, just know you are responsible. for
no,
someone's
I'm not
life.
responsible. That's not true.
That's true, because you don't want to donate.
It's not really a donation if it's forced. Additionally, if someone's life is on the line,
Don't want to support the cause to save someone's life.
you are at fault.
Let's go.
You're at fault. It's all you.
Listen, Davenport, I have your goods.
I'll leave y'all be. Good luck.
No worries.
Is Rainer around? Rainer! I don't know if anyone tried it in the scout.
The canal's running northbound.
Are additionals required?
Yes, please. It's definitely not Fay Archer being a brat.
Oh, it's not that one. It's fake Cobra.
The other Fay. Oh, fuck me. It's that one now? Oh my lord, they're both awake then. I got a phone call from the other one before. Currently running up to the inlet up towards the train tracks in Popular from the canals. Just happening on the radio, so I'm thinking the Pink Crown may be nearby.
There's a vehicle, 1060 southbound in the canals. I think they ran past you.
Hey, better, yeah, probably them. Trying to jump back down into the inlet area. I might get run over in a second. Oh my god, yeah, they're running back into it. We're coming out now. Road. South.
Am I blind?
No, she's just fast. Just
I'm
jump back up.
nowhere near you. Oh, I'm actually right here, discard.
But yeah, she's currently just running south on the train tracks. Yeah, I see where you are. Yeah, you drove north.
It's because I marked the unit and it marked McLean.
Lord.
I'm so sorry.
You're fine, you're fine. We're currently under Vespucci Bridge going in like a little archway towards Popular.
From the likely interference car was a small two-door like RX-7 looking thing. I don't fucking know.
Alright, running north now.
Okay, what if I... Okay, listen. What if I stop and you can put stuff in their car?
What?
Because she knows how fat I am.
Ooh, individual's been tased
Why would you
on a
do that?
dumpster, attempting to jump onto Vespucci.
It's behind me. Oh, what the hell?
They've resisted and they're continuing southbound. They jumped down. I think they were tased. They are back on all four, continuing southbound, crossing underneath the little ramp that leads towards the customs. I'm going to the train tracks.
be on the train tracks in about 4 seconds.
Hey,
No.
I'm gonna need you to surrender.
No, you can't touch me there.
Huh? Ooh.
Gotta,
Oh my God.
no.
Oh, wait,
It's
hold
her
on, hold on,
unicorn.
wait,
She don't want to
wait,
use the
wait.
unicorn.
Yo, God, oh
Hands
fuck.
behind your back.
I'm okay. Okay, perfect.
Oh my god, she's too fast.
I was trying to bandage.
Please stop running. We are now
What are you
northbound,
doing?
parallel
Why
to
are
Popular.
You so fast? He put his stuff away. That's cheating.
No, because
No, I
he's
didn't put
fit.
my stuff away.
Oh, Matt's just. Okay.
I'm gonna go for the car just in case it arrives. How's the scout feeling today? Ass. That's how it feels.
Still running north, just in the archway now.
So confused that the vehicle didn't pick her up. Continuing northbound and now merging east towards Popular.
Could have been an earlier boost, maybe, that happened to go past you.
You know what? There was a tracker on Popular. That's making sense. We are now northbound, still on the tracks. Surrender! Surrender now! You're under arrest! I'm gonna get you.
Calling out on radio.
Ah! Hands behind your back, bucko.
Fuck.
Bam!
Yes.
Matt
Now
Martin
tell him the
processed me,
joke.
though.
What's the joke? What's the
So
joke?
you want to know something funny? Okay, so we were in a Guardian earlier, right?
Uh-huh.
And Asher Johnson goes, "That's huge," and I said, "That's what she said." He said, "Oh, really?" And I said, "Well, I guess he said that to you." And then he goes, "That's crazy."
You know who can get to back you up on that one? Ivy Grayson. She'll back you up on that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because that's his ex.
Oh, that's awkward. Awkward.
So you are
Awkward.
confirming that it is small.
I can help you with transport if you'd like.
If you could, my car is currently flipped under pillbox.
They said, whatchamacallit? Oh, they said they were gonna tell DOC we were coming, and it was me and Charlie up in what is it? No, where's BCSO again? Sandy?
Blaine County,
Yep, Sandy.
Yeah, and I said, oh, we're definitely coming.
Oh god.
What time? And then Martin Bird immediately made DOC come get me.
Aw, that's so sweet
He
of
didn't
him.
like that joke.
He didn't like the joke.
He didn't like
That's
that
right.
joke.
Look, only one outstanding, unfortunately, this time.
You get
So
to
what
be
did
the
this stem
second
from?
person to get the black
Roof running?
crayon, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, just roof running. It's to our right. It's under pillbox.
Like off of Strawberry?
No, like it's if you
It's
jump off
lower
Jump Road, yeah,
pillbox, like they jumped off the highway and then
Got
they
it.
flipped in the
Now flipped it,
bush.
It's horrible.
And listen, I would have gotten away, but like I got bored, so I took a picture, and I know that's how
No,
you
you
found me. And then you flipped, and then I came to you.
Because with all these cars,
This is awkward.
there's a lot of cars here.
I was watching for a good
Tell
like
you what, I'll
4
flip your
minutes.
car.
All right, I'll let you flip it.
Oh,
Her out.
I didn't know this. I flipped a car that was on its side the other day.
Wait, we can. The bull bar doesn't fuck us anymore.
Correct. But at least
we have a Benny's at LSIA now too.
Wait. Huh? Really?
Yeah, there's a Benny's at LSIA now. People won't be blowing up their helicopters or planes anymore to, change the livery on their stuff anymore. Alright, Faye, do you have anything that's on you that's gonna hurt me? Poke,
I have a
stick, prod
knife.
me? Oh my god, of course you do.
I don't know if I called it out, but we did end up getting a 95.
Again.
Copy that.
Yeah.
Commander and that.
Hey, Perry, you might want to be careful because of what was said on top.
Hey, Perry.
Bounty on ya.
Asking for a friend, but where you at, bud?
Oh, my bad, bro. What's up?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Hey, friend.
There's
Just got a
a
$500,000 bounty put on your head on Twitter.
Oh, it's Jamal. Takes him
Stop
seriously.
doing crime,
61176 MRPD
Well, I
195.
would, but like I can't.
I mean, that's fair. That's fair.
Harry,
A 10-9.
there's someone behind you.
I know. I checked the video already to see if it was a unit or not. I got my head on a swivel.
Oh, you got scared,
Look,
didn't
it's
you?
Orange.
Nuh-uh.
You should be.
Now, y'all, real quick, because I did this yesterday, or the day before yesterday. My car was on its side, and I was able to flip it without having to throw.
Yeah,
It's so nice.
flip Tauruses now too.
Well, you could show me video evidence, and I still wouldn't believe it's true. That bitch so top heavy for no reason.
Certified Taurus hater.
Confirmed.
I saw a certified Taurus hater.
It's a car that just crashed in here.
Three 39476 to BCSO with 195.
Maybe not. Yeah, I've cleared so much shit recently. You know what? I'm gonna try something else. I'm parking this and I'm pulling it back out. At this point, we need to see whether or not there's like any notable changes. But there's it sucks because there's no like standard way of testing. Oh. That was weird. For a moment there, it was like we lost all power. Also, I hate my speedometer being this slow. Okay, I didn't press save. It's still... Huh? Am I wrong in saying that still seems slow?
611, who was primary on the Crayon Chase?
Davenport.
Nothing's changed.
Davenport, is it just going to be trespassing, stolen property, and reckless evading and possession?
Oh, you might be right.
You can't say that.
Hi.
Oh, you know what? Getting out? Solid call. Much better.
You want to put up an incident?
Sure. Yeah, let's
It was so weird because the day where it was scouting very fucking well, the car seemed so much more planted. Like, over jumps, it wouldn't just go airborne. Or, like, ever be on two wheels. We probably have other parts going bad. I still want to... Oh my god. Try a different scout. Okay, I think we'll just buy one.
PD from EMS.
Go for PD.
Is there a command member available to bring down the mechanic tool to the CMC, please, so I can get something installed in my ambulance if possible?
I think that's Davenport or Anita.
Beauty.
Anita, are you on frequency?
You can come and pick it up. Mission now if you like. You just have to drop it back to me. That's all.
Yeah, Beauty, Davenport, we should do that. I'll come down to MRPD then.
You'll need $600 cash.
Now the old wide bodies you spawn and then take a second for the wheel offsets to update. I wonder if it's something like that, getting in and driving it before it loads completely.
I want to get the mechanic to come
Put it to
down
the
there
test.
as well, so it's so you can just install it.
You have to do
So,
okay.
Mud,
All good.
nobody believed me for the longest time regarding the old tuner stratum.
Yeah, I'll pick it up on you then.
But it drove so fucking well and then just was a complete understeery mess. Exactly as the Scout, right? And it ended up being an extra option, specifically the extra that was like the sunroof. That was making it so that in order for the Stratum to drive the way it was intended, you had to take it off and back on, and it could only be done at the tuner shop. Like, that's what this is reminding me of.
What? Sorry.
You're good, you're good. Make sure there's no broken parts. Oop.
It's all good.
Yeah, I'm gonna be real. I want the Stratum so bad, but the Stratum would be the next meta car. All-wheel drive, 4-door. Like, it's just, it would. I know for a fact it would. It would be engine swapped within 30 minutes of restart, and it'd be busted. You know what? Maybe we go down to Mosley's and we just pull the parts out. Hello? Okay. Repair kits. I think they're all in my trunk.
611, same traffic.
Portable family 4-door. Hate this guy with a burning passion. You and I both. You and I both. Let me tell you. Okay. Park.
Yeah, I was just in the MDT and someone
Park.
was starting to tap.
Apologies.
It's my fault, not yours.
Take out. It's lowered. Okay, so the interesting thing is it also does that. Wait. Wait, it went away. We're gonna give it a moment. We're gonna give it a moment to do its thing, chat. Hold on, let's...
I believe I have it northbound Prosperity. The blue in color.
Blue and black, yeah.
Listen here, Scout. I'm gonna need you to be different today. All right? I don't want this basic bitch underwhelming performance. Okay, I need you to warm up. I need you to be ready. Need you to be ready. Are you good?
San Andreas. Southbound South Rocket Drive.
Yeah, we're talking to the car.
What's Palomino?
Okay, chat. It is driving differently. I'm not lying. Hernando's gonna refill an alt hatch.
Adam's up. Left southbound Calais. Right. So sharp right. We're now northbound South Rockford. Right eastbound Palomino. Right eastbound Lindsay. Northbound Calais. In through the white garage.
Oh, the scout's just been ran through.
U-turn. Back at Vespucci, left eastbound Vespucci.
And that's okay. That's okay.
Left northbound Peaceful. Right eastbound San Andreas.
I do want
Right southbound Elgin.
to do this.
Left
Chat,
eastbound
OBS might break with me doing the... Wait.
Right southbound Strawberry.
Why is this not set?
Right
Huh?
westbound Adams Apple.
Alright.
Left southbound Elgin. Right westbound Innocence. Slowing left eastbound Carson. Right southbound in the laneway between the baseball field and Foreign Drive. Be exiting Davis.
Here.
Left northbound Davis. Left westbound Forum. Northbound to Carson.